Red-green color blindness is a recessive X-linked trait in humans. What is the probability that a boy will be colorblind if his mother is a carrier for color blindness and his father is not colorblind? Okay, so now we got to create a Punnett square, and we need to pick a designation or a letter for the color blindness trait. So let's say that capital C means normal, okay, and small c means colorblind. Why did I pick small c for colorblind? Because I remember they said it's a recessive trait, so it should be a small letter. Now we need to draw a Punnett square. Go ahead and draw our Punnett square. Okay, there's something close to a square. Now we're gonna divide it up into 4. Okay. And now it says that his mother is a carrier for color blindness. Let's put his mother up top, okay? And with the sex-linked traits, you need to write them slightly differently. So here's what we're going to do. Well, first of all, start by writing X, X, okay? Because this trait is linked to X. So we need to start, first of all, by writing X. And then we're going to write a superscript. So something up top here to actually represent this color blindness trait. Okay, so since she's a carrier, that means she has one colorblind and one normal. So one big C, or let's do one small c, and then one big C. How about the man? It says the man is not colorblind. Let's start by just putting X and Y. Alright? And since the man only has one X, we only need to think about this one. And since he's not colorblind, that means he definitely has the normal version of the allele. So the normal version of the gene or the normal allele. So XC. Okay. Now we just do the same thing we normally do with Punnett squares. We figure out what will be the genotypes of the offspring. Okay. So if this is going to be X big C, X small c, X big C, X big C. So this comes from there and the other one comes from above. Then here we're going to have Y, X, small c, alright, and then Y, X, big C. Okay, so now they're asking, what is the probability that a boy will be colorblind? Okay, so how many boys are in this Punnett square? We have this boy and this boy. The two people with, or the two offspring with a Y chromosome. Remember that Y looks kind of like an open zipper. So remember that these are the boys. So this is a boy, and this is a boy. Okay? And the one that is colorblind will be this one with the small c. So YX small c, he's going to be colorblind. Alright? And this one would be normal, or not colorblind. Okay? So we have one colorblind boy, and then one non-colorblind. And so what is our chance that we have a colorblind boy? That would be 50%. Okay? Because 1 is to 1 is the same thing as 50%. 50% chance of getting a colorblind boy.